What's up guys, how are you today? And here we go again in a new video. Today we are going to do twisted fringe. So the first thing we see in here is we are going to use the fine side of the comb. For sure you know how to section your fringe. And let's see, so look the way I'm putting my comb, and I'm trying to show you the way I'm going to twist. It's very important to make sure your section is damp enough, like wet enough. So you put your comb from the ender and look how you're gonna twist it. Yes, slowly, 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 and look how it's gonna be. And then I will do it one more time. So 2 times twist. And after you finish that, you're gonna slide it down to the area where you wanna cut, like how much short you want the fringe to be. You want it on the nose level or lower. This is up to you as a preference. You can do it short, you can do it long. This is up to you guys as you prefer. So here we go again. I'm doing the demonstration again so you understand more. I put my comb from the ender, I do the first twist, and then I'm going to do the second twist. For sure, when you do it very fast, the hair won't slide out of the comb, but I'm doing very slow so kind of you get the technique. So comb, very good. So first one, second one, that's it. And what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna lower my elevation and slide down my comb, and I'm going to make it a little bit longer than I want, just to show you the technique and show you the effect. Look, after that I'm going to recut it again to the length I want and show you the final look. Okay, so it's kind of like you're practicing the first time to see how it's gonna lay on the face. So you cut it longer than you want, and then you see the effect, and then you recut it again, redo it again, and cut the length you want. So this is what I really just did right now here, kind of like my first day in cosmetology school, and I'm practicing. So now you can see it's short from the center and lower, longer toward the outside, short to long. So this is the first cut, and this is what's gonna be the effect. So I'm going to dry it and show you how it looks, but this is not the final look, because remember, as I mentioned, I'm going to redo it again and cut the length I want, because this is not the length I want, but just trying to teach you guys, especially for people who's new for this and never cut twisted fringe, or new cosmetology school, or new hairstylist. They're trying to elevate their ability in cutting hair. Maybe now my hair, what I'm saying right now is not matching with the picture, because here I was speaking in a different language, so now I'm doing a voice over recording, that's why. So this is the effect, guys, but definitely this is too long. Look, like even her eyes, you cannot even see her eyes, but this is the effect. Believe me, the final result, you will love it, because it's gonna be gorgeous. I really love it. It's very easy, very quick to do, and very easy and simple technique. Just need a little bit practice and you will be there. So for sure I'm going wet again and redo it, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move my hands a little bit above the nose, so make it shorter, because this is, as I said, it's too long. We're gonna do the same things. Make it wet, make sure it's all even, not like one place or one area dry and another area wet. You make sure all even damp, okay? So look how I put my comb from the ender. Then I do the first twist and the second twist, but you have to be a little bit quick, you know what I mean? So the hair doesn't slide out of the comb. And then after I do this, I slide it a little bit. You see my elevation, you see where I want to cut it? Exactly. So this is what you want to do. It's kind of can be a little bit tricky. Look here, I'm adjusting my hand, and look, I'm cutting it. I'm cutting like inch and a half more higher, and this is the length I'm looking for in the first place. But as I said, I cut it longer the first time just to show you the technique, and you practice, so then you go back and do it again to the length you like. Because remember, when you cut the hair very short, you cannot make it long, but when it's long, you can make it shorter. So all I'm doing here, I put some Fimoleon mousse from Aveda. I love this mousse, and I'm doing flat wrap technique to dry it. And this is the look, guys. I'm going to do some point cut technique, and you will see the final look in few seconds. So keep watching. I love you, and if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and put likes on this video. Support me with this like and love, and I see you in a new video, and ciao for now. Enjoy the final look.